What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Master Motors. This is your boy, Daddy. Today, we're going to be trying to fix this sound system. It sounds like utter trash. Indeed, it does. It sounds like every song that I listen to, it's like just gargling trash. In a second, I'm going to get you in there. Turbo, are you in here? Turbo's in here. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like, and hopefully we can fix it today. Bought this product called Idoing, because Idoing this. And give me a second, I'm just gonna get into the car and I'll show you what this sounds like. Alright guys, so here we are in my car, playing some royalty-free music, best I could find. But let's turn it up so you can kind of hear that sounds horrible. So there's a lot of rattling. No matter what kind of settings I use, it's just trash. And on top of it, it also... So not only is this outdated, ugly looking, and like, come on, this is like so 2000s, even, probably not even. This is just disgusting looking. We gotta upgrade, guys. I can't be seen with this. So Idoing going right there. All right, guys. Shit, actually needed that stuff. Okay, boom, Idoing. I'm assuming you guys didn't think that I was saying it right, but Idoing. Anyways, this is the box it came in. It has a picture of an Android on there, because Android all the way. There's a map. I don't know what that is. Is that supposed to be a TV? An Android TV, maybe. I don't know. Triangle boobies. Play Store. Oh, look at that. For you iPhone people, it's even connected to iTunes. You can steer with it apparently. A green play button? Not sure. A car? Wow. I don't know. The other side says the same thing. Over here, it has a WhatsApp number, which is kind of strange. Let's see if it is. There we go. WhatsApp, Facebook, WeChat. So maybe if you guys can spam them, that'd be pretty cool. Pretty funny. 2006, Idoing. All right, let's check it out. Let's see what's inside. I haven't opened it yet. Oh, great. Guys, it says AliExpress. Okay, I just got very sad. Not what I was expecting. Wow. All right, so we got some wires. Let's see. Guys, I honestly have no idea how to put this in, and I'm just gonna kind of hope for the best, and you guys are just gonna come along with this on this adventure. Let's see, we got some brake lights, Wi-Fi. These are like antennas. Let's see, we got the USB. Okay. It says push. I'm pushing. You see an arrow, and it does... I don't know what this does, but it does something. Come on. Oh, got something going on. Oh, snap. I'm just gonna... Oh, look at that. You can hide cocaine in there. Good hiding spot. Don't do drugs, I was kidding. Pixie dust. An antenna. A GPS antenna. Very nice, very nice. Not sure if I'll use this, but I'll keep this to the side. Nunchucks. Oh, I need some nunchucks. Oh, it says 4G main, 4G aux. Well, I have 5G, so I don't know if this is gonna do anything. And now the piece of resistance. Oh, wait, there's more. We got more toys, guys. Hold on. Maybe I shouldn't have opened up all these bags, but whatever. Reverse. That's to go backwards. There's an ant, auto ant. It's a very tiny plug. A microphone. Yeah, it's very inconspicuous. I might figure that out later. Keep all this stuff to the side. Now, all right, look at that. Look how nice, sleek design. Very nice. I'm enjoying this so far. So let's go install it. Oh, wait, let's look at the back first. Nothing cool looking. It says old. Maybe this is an old model. Put literally Idoing on everything. But let's go figure it out, guys. All right, so far, let's see if we can just take this out. Oh, it's actually a lot easier than I thought. I'm just gonna take all this stuff out. It's really hard to do with one hand. All right, so yeah, don't pay any mind to that, but this is out. We're gonna undo these little clippy boys. Well, there's two clips right there. we're gonna undo those. There's a screw there and a screw here, and we're gonna take this out, and then we're gonna start transferring everything over to the other one. All right, so I got the first one off. Pretty easy stuff. We just got this one little clippy boy right there. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm gonna take these two out, put them on this bad boy along with the other stuff. So I was having trouble with this, I was trying to pull it out from this way, but it actually comes out that way. So I'll show you how I got this one out with this one. All right, so for this one, there is like 2 push clips. I don't know if you guys can catch it on camera, but right there. So I'm just gonna get a little squeeze and push. Guys, I swear it's really easy to do. Like I'm not struggling at all. It's just that I'm using one hand. I promise. I'm really good at using my hand. See? Told you. Got it out. Just gonna put it in here. Boom. That's gonna be. Oops, that's upside down. I'm just gonna. Perfect. Now to take this off, there's like a little push clip right there. Yeah, bam. Now I already broke the clips off of the old one. I mean, not that it mattered, but it was 2 clips over there. I got some 4 screws. I'm not sure if this portion really matters, but I'm not gonna touch it until I take these 4 screws out. And I'm pretty sure it's all I need, but I'll show you guys when I'm done unscrewing. All right, it's in. I guess this is probably the easy part. Now we get to do the fun part of just messing around with all those spaghetti wires that are in there. That's the part that I'm most worried, but things I do for good quality sound, right guys? Because I can't, man. Every time I'm in that car and I'm trying to put the radio on, I just want to gag every single time. It just sounds like a paper bag filled with smashed assholes. I just can't. I can't deal with it anymore. All right, now everything's unplugged. If you're wondering what I unplugged, well, pretty much everything that was connected to this one. If you weren't sure, then I mean, just open it. It was just these things. If you don't know how to take off a clip, then I don't think you should be trying this on your own. You just leave it to Best Buy or something. But these are the wires that were previously connected. Wow, what in the world? Maybe this is the source of my problem. All right, I really don't know what's going on here, but I'm definitely gonna try to fix whatever's happened here, and we will figure out what the other wirings will do. All right, guys, so everything is in for the most part. This stuff is in the car still. So what did I plug in? Well, I put this outlet because I will be putting subwoofers and an amplifier in here, so I'm just gonna keep this in here so this way I don't lose it. As for this, not sure what this does. I mean, obviously it says brake and Wi-Fi. Don't necessarily care about those, but I did want to put a mic in here. I just gotta find a more inconspicuous spot to hide the mic so I can actually utilize it. And I just have some USBs, so I have these things plugged in here. Not really sure what I'm gonna use them for, but you never know. More USBs, maybe I'll charge something. I'll figure something useful for these. You know, there's always a need for extra USB ports. So wish me luck. Cross your fingers. Hopefully everything works out when I put it in the car. Oh, that's nice. Guys, that sounds so much better than what it did. I am very, very happy. Oh yeah, and it looks very nice. So I'm gonna start buttoning everything up, put everything back where it belongs, make sure everything works. That turns on, which is great. All right, guys, she's officially in, and she's looking real nice. I really like the way it came out, and it's a lot better than I expected. Even the sound quality. Way better than what it used to be. But if you guys are interested in Idoing, I'll put a link in the description down below. But 10 out of 10 so far, 100% would recommend. It is a little bit on the pricier side, but if you're willing to spend that kind of coin, go for it. If not, this thing was like roughly almost like 400 bucks. So do with that information in what you please. What you think, Turbo?
Help, I want to leave.
It's cool, right? Better than what it was before. I mean, you should know.
Oh, you haven't showered in a week, right?
Turbo, do you approve?
Please, I want to leave. This man smells so bad.
I'll take that as a yes. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. Once again, looks super cool, super slick. Pretty much enjoyed it. Right, Turbo? You want to go for a spin?
Well, yeah.
Alright, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.